Hi Pitmasters, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be making Shakshuka. Of course, the first thing that we're going to do is fire up our barbecue. I got my Kamado big block. I filled up my kick-ass basket to half full and now we're going to fire it up. For this recipe we want to chop 2 onions. Put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. So if you want to know if your oil is hot and ready to go, just take a little bit of onion, drop it into the oil, and when it starts sizzling you know it's ready. Add the onions to the pan. Now we're going to add garlic, and I have some smoked garlic. So that's going to give us just that little bit of extra smoke flavor. Chop the garlic fine and add the garlic to the pan when your onions are starting to get soft. I got a bunch of tomatoes. So we're going to dice these tomatoes. Just get the top out. It does help if you have an extreme sharp knife, makes the cutting of the tomatoes real easy. So we're going to add the rest of the tomatoes. So we're going to add salt to our tomatoes. This is around a tablespoon of salt, and we're going to use black pepper. We want a lot of black pepper in this dish. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper is absolutely necessary for the character of this dish, together with the black pepper, because the dish is called Shakshuka, which means eggs in hell. So we gotta have a little bit of heat, right? We are now waiting for the moment where the moisture evaporates and we can make these little puddles and it will stay dry in these puddles. So you can see there's still too much moisture here that needs to evaporate. When that's gone, we're ready to put the eggs in. So we're gonna make a little opening, tap the egg with the back of our knife, slowly drop the egg in. For extra flavor we're going to crumble on some goat cheese. To add a little green accent we're going to sprinkle on some spring onion and a little touch of coriander. So total cooking time is around an hour. The eggs have been in for 15 minutes. And you just have to look at the eggs, how far you want them to be cooked. So if I'm looking at this one on the left, it looks just about right for my preference. So I'm going to take it out, I'm going to put it in a bowl. A bit of the tomato and cheese, and there we go. They look good, right? Well, this looks absolutely beautiful, but now, of course, we gotta give it a try. Well, the Middle Eastern flavor is definitely there. It's not too spicy. Of course, you can taste the cayenne pepper, you can taste the black pepper. There's just that little bit of burn on your tongue. But overall, it's just a really nice and rich dish. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll put a link in the video description for our Patreon page. Check that out. Until next time, eet smakelijk!